Off the boat and back on the road. We're just going to go and explore a bit of Norfolk. So we're just out and about, seeing what we can. Going to go and try and track down some artwork. There's lots of churches around here. Toad crossing, never seen that before. Lighthouses, definitely seen those before. Happisburgh, it's the place where the helicopter crashed. And then Walcott-on-Sea. And there are around here seals to be seen apparently on the beach, but we didn't manage to spot any. But it's a nice little coastal drive. We're just kind of finding stuff to do, go to look at, just while we're waiting for our room to become available. We popped into Cromer, really beautiful little place here, and pier. Tide was coming in with some good waves. They've got these mammoths. I don't know if you remember the mammoth that was in Wroxham. They're all over the place in Norfolk apparently. And then it was off in search of the Banksy. There is a Banksy artwork here somewhere, so we're going to go and see if we can find that. But in the meantime, we're just walking up and down these beautiful little narrow laneways and streets. Past the beach huts, keep walking, and eventually at the end, very end, you'll find the Banksy. Luxury rentals only. Then it was Ronaldo's ice cream. I had lavender before heading back the way we had come. Still not seeing any seals, but heading back into Great Yarmouth, where we'll be spending a couple of days. But we're just going to check out another Banksy. Some more walls of the city. Splash pad in the park there, and finally we got to our B&B. Beautiful room. Wasn't cheap this, but when we haven't got the van with us, we've got to sleep somewhere, so stay in here and then heading off south. We're doing a little tour round, so leaving Great Yarmouth, we're going to head to Lowestoft to see another Banksy, and then down south somewhere, see where we're going to end up. I can't remember the name of this place. This was somewhere we went to see another Banksy. They're all over the place here in Norfolk and Suffolk. So if you're interested in that kind of thing, I like this one because it kind of looks like one of those grabber machines you get in the arcade. It's going to pick these people up. And some people doing their own art installations, various things around the place. And then here we go, coming into Lowestoft, and the final Banksy of this trip. There's the seagull nicking chips out of the skip. It's a massive piece on the side of this house. And then it's onwards and downwards. See you next time. Stay cool.